That is massive. Whether I'd send that now, oh man, maybe in future, but not today for sure. But that is huge. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel for another vlog. And look, we're on big bike today. It's Sunday. Off hooked up local at Greno. Not really been feeling too well last half a week, and feeling pretty good now. Not 100%, but you always feel better, don't you, once you realise that you've took breathing through your nose and not feeling like crap. You know, for granted. Got full face on today, so you never know, something big might be coming, you never know. Well, stay tuned for that one. But like I say, I'm not feeling 100%, so don't hold your hopes up, but we'll see. Anyway, just gonna have some fun because I need my bike fixed as always. So hope you're all having a good weekend and enjoy the video. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, man.
Sick. Ready?
Sort of.
Let's go.
Go on then, pal. Yeah! Yeah, man! Yo! Yeah, man! Woo! That is a fucking piece of piss, bro. Yeah, nice, I swear down, right? Once, twice, 3 times a lady. There we go, mate. 3 times a charm. If you do it 3 times, what they say is you cement it so you can do it every time then. And that's what I've just done. I'm absolutely buzzing with that, honestly. I haven't had anything scare me in quite a long time, to the point where, you know, I've been looking at videos, visualizing doing it, just getting it in my head. I'm feeling confident. But I'm telling you now, if ever something scares you, only thing I can recommend is just do it. Visualize, believe that you can do it, and just send it, honestly, because it works wonders. And even if you fail, you can at least say, well, I tried it harder than person that sat on sea. And I know that's cringy, but it's true. True. Honestly, I'm proper stoked with that, to get that ticked off this year. So, buzzing! Woo!
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
Easy, man. Easy, man. Well, wicked day out at Grenoside. It's absolutely ecstatic that I've got that big jump dialed in, because that's been eating away at me for a little bit, just thinking about it and stuff and just wanting to get it done. But chuffed I sent it so quick. Just seen some old people and some old friends as well, which is good. And I've also just, you know, made some new mates and stuff like that. Just, that's what it's all about, isn't it? The community of biking, meeting new people, having a laugh, you know, with your current mates, and, you know, just getting out. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get all my notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.